Hello everyone, welcome to the Python beginner guide. My name is Dustin Ferdinand and today I'm gonna driving into the world of Python programming. So the first thing I'm gonna go to a website, their website. So the website called the Python. Let me check here. This one. So a website called python.org. So the first thing you're gonna visit python.org, then you're gonna go to download it, and then I'm using Mac, so I get here. So download the Python. So when I download it, I get here. So very easy to download Python. So now we have already downloaded Python. So let's start install Python. We're gonna double click in. So you're gonna have some verification. So when you are facing this problem in the market, very easy to fix it. The first thing you're gonna go to the preference. When you don't see preference here, you're gonna go to the system. I'll go to the system setting and then let's wait the system. Okay, on the system setting success to open, you're gonna go to the privacy and setting, and here you're gonna click OK, and you're gonna click here open anywhere, and here you're gonna asking for password, and you're gonna put your password in, and you're gonna click open. So after that you're gonna continue, gonna agree, gonna make installation, you're gonna write your Mac password, and when you are in there, it's very easy. Also gonna click next, you're gonna agree, and that's it, you are done. It's very easy to install Python. It's not an issue. So after here, we have successfully to install Python. Now we are already installed Python. So after that, once we are done successful install Python, let's start using Python.